Hello friends, I am Satyam and this is the program for calculate the number is prime or not. For this I need a variable that is int n. Now message for the user that is console dot write line, enter the number for check whether number is prime or not. Okay, now for input, convert dot to int 32, console dot read line. Now I have to build the logic for calculating the prime number. So the simple logic is you just need a loop, that is for loop. So the first prime number is basically divisible by 1 or that number by self, right? So the first prime number is 2. So I have to start the loop, that is int I is equal to 2, the very first prime number. Now I less than equal to not totally to the n, actually n minus 1 till, right? Now I plus plus, and now you need another variable like checking the number for the divisibility of 2. You can name that is flag. Flag is equal to 1. Okay, it's just assigned to 1. Now the condition in the for loop, that is if n modulo 2 equal to 0, then flag is equal to 0, right? So okay, and over the for loop, outside the for loop, that is the condition if flag is 1, then console dot there is an intelligence, that is write line, number is prime. Okay, one more line, that is console dot read line, else. Here is the else block, that is console dot write line, number is not prime, console dot read line. Okay, so there is no any error, just build the program and run this code. So here is a message, that is enter the number for check whether number is prime or not. We just started from 2, so 2 number is prime, it is a correct output. Okay, run again and hit 5. So 5 is a prime number, right? 5 is basically divisible by 1 and 5 also, so number is prime, it is also correct. One more time, I have to enter 19. 90 is also a prime number, 90 is a prime. Now we have to check the not condition, like you have to just enter 10. So 10 is not a prime number, right? So this is the code for calculating the prime number. I have to review the code. You just need one variable for input by the user, and you need one more, that is flag. You just need any name of this variable, right? So basically I have to check the condition of the for loop, that is if the number is divisible by 2, and then flag is equal to 0. If divisible by, then this line is executed. But if in the for loop all the number you have to insert and not being on the inside, then it's mean that flag never impact, right? And just why this is the number of the prime, right? And otherwise, if the flag is a 0, then execute the else loop, that is number is not prime. Okay, so this is the output, and basically you need one more time, that is 15, and 15 number is prime. So it is correct. Note, so there is a bug in our code because 15 is not a prime number, right? Because 15 divisible by 1, 3 and 5. So what is the bug in my code? I have to review that. It is if 15, so 15 is number is not prime basically, right? And just need okay, if I need 16 is not prime, 7 is prime, 9 is prime. Okay, so if divide, okay, so here is the bug because I'm not this is the condition for the odd event, right? So here is the change, this is the bug, actually n divide by I, right? Now serve this. Okay, now check my code. Number is 15, number is not prime, absolutely correct, right? One more time, that is 9 is not prime. But if I enter 7 is prime. Okay, so testing is correctly. So if I entered 93, it is a prime number. 93